Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to give error message before saving that your text box is empty. Okay, so let's start with this. Here we have two text fields and I'm just entering something first name and last name and just click on add. This data is added to this data grid view. So I'm not going to show you how actually this is working. I'm showing you that how to do this. When these text fields are empty and I click on add, it's just insert the empty text fields inside this data grid view. So how to prevent that? So for that, let's first check the name of these two text fields. So first text field name is textbox1 and the second one is textbox2. Now at this button click event, I have to write the code so that the insertion of data cannot be done if these text boxes are empty. So this is the code if you want the code that inserting the data into this data grid view. Okay, so I want that first is check that if text box one dot text is not equal to, not equal to is denoted by this and this is empty string. If this and this and or I want to for both of the text field we are going to check. Then here we are checking for this text box 1 and now I'm going to check for the same for text box 2 dot text is not equal to empty. Then just put this code inside this bracket, and else if this text fields are empty, then what I need to do is I want that there must be a pop-up which showing that your text field is empty. So I am using a message box. Okay, so message box dot show now here empty text field. Okay, so here we go. Now just close it and just start it, and here we can see this. So now I'm trying to insert this and it's good to empty text field and just click on this. It's actually inserting the if one text field is filled, then it's just being inserted because we have used here or condition. If this text box is not empty, then it will enter. So we need to check for the both. So I will use and if you start it and just try to add, so empty text field and just adding this. Now still empty text field and just add it now. So I want this to message box to show in a better way. So how to do that? I am just using, here you can see this is the tag which is on the top of the message box, and after that I want to change the button name of the message box. So for that message box button dot which type of button, these are the predefined button. And after that if you want to use any logo, so I'm using this icon, actually message box icon, and I'm going to use this warning. So it will show an I sign in this yellow triangle. Just start it and let me show you how it works. Just click on this. Here you can see this. Now this let me show you. Okay, just let me click this and okay, so this empty is in the top of this message box, and this button OK name is here, and this is message box icon, this icon yellow, and this warning, it's a triangle, there is inverted I, this is a. So if you fill the text like my channel name is btech and days. Okay, so I hit this add. Now here you can see this btech days is add, and in the same way if you just remove one, then you can't add it. So that's it for the today's video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon.